Hey, it's Jim over here at Travel Camp Orange Park. Wanted to show you the Wolf Pack by Cherokee 365 Pack 16 fifth wheel toy hauler. As you can see, it's got the nice supported steps, entertainment center for outside, nice big electric awnings over each door. Dual axle. Check out the inside. Very modern, updated design. You notice a big sofa right up front. Entertainment center, control panels. Dinette area, nice big kitchen, entry into your garage area, bunks up top. You also have a bathroom in the garage. Nice big Furrion fridge. Deep pantry. You go up the stairs. Also has a fireplace too. You go up the stairs, turn right into the main bathroom. Stand-up shower, medicine cabinet, two medicine cabinets, and then into your bedroom. Plenty of storage in this thing. Nice big bed. Come check us out. Travel Camp at Orange Park. Ask for Jim.